welcome to Hobbyking Rc. This is just a quick video on how to make your own RC mat. Now, some of the mats that you can get are quite small, and what I've done is bought a yoga mat. You can get them in black, you can get them in green, red, orange, and I bought an orange one. And then just have something to cut a straight edge with and a sharp knife, and you can make a few little compartments for your screws and so forth, and then get ready to start repairing your RC. So I'll go through some of the steps. I've already cut out my mat to the length. I wanted it to be as thick, so as wide as my table, and there's my straight edge I've got, just a piece of aluminium. And all you do is, I'm going to do a highlight colour, so I'm going to have black strips. So all I'm going to do is put some of the black strips and glue them down with glue that is safe for foam or rubber, and then just place them like so. So hold on and I'll get it done. So here's the finished product, and with this, instead of spending $60 to $100 on a RC mat, you can make your own. And just going in close, you can see I've made different compartments for different size screws and for control arms and so forth. I've made a long compartment at the bottom so you can put any of your rods or dog bones and so forth, and yeah, just a few extra ones that you can add or you can take out as you go. And then once you've finished, you've got your car and it can go on to your mat with ease, and they're pretty good. I do all kinds of repairs on these mats, whether it's oils and whatever spillages goes on it, it usually wipes off pretty clean. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please comment, like and subscribe if you like this idea of making your own RC mat. This mat cost me $14 to make, and instead of spending between $60 and $100 and getting something half the size. So let me know what you think, and thanks from Hobbyking Rc.